Hi, I'm Jackie from the Crafterati, and today I'm going to show you how to cast on using the 2-needle technique. I've already created a slip knot on my left hand needle, and I'm going to take my right hand needle. I'm using the Yum Yum yarn here and put it behind the left hand needle. Take the yarn end, wrap it anti-clockwise round the needle, and then pull the yarn through using the tip of the needle. You then take the left hand needle, move behind this loop and pop it on and pull it taut. And that's one. I'm going to show you how to carry on, and I'll do 5 in the same way. And 5. And that's 5 stitches cast on this needle. You can carry on with as many stitches as you need, and you can see that on the tail end a tip is to leave about 15 centimetres of yarn to be able to weave in afterwards after you're sewing, unless the pattern specifically says to leave something longer. So that's how you cast on using the 2-needle method. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe or shop online at crafterati.com.